YouTube, getting right into the video. I'm just searching out a little bitty piece for my leave out. You're gonna see what that's for towards the end of the video, you feel me? But this I sectioned out like half my hair, parted it out. Now I'm just cornrowing it back. You should be left with one braid because all the other braids is being braided into the, you see what I'm doing, you see what I'm trying to say. Now after that is done, I went ahead, look at my new growth, do y'all see that? I went ahead and I sectioned out my hair. I pre-part my hair because that takes me the longest. It took me like hours just to part my hair, y'all. And then don't even get me started on the heart. Parting out the heart, I'm gonna just let y'all see. But this hairstyle was super fun to do. I really didn't know what I was doing. I'm just like freestyling here. So bear with me. This is not really a tutorial. This is more of a braid your hair with me, you know, learn with me. Because this is my first time doing the heart. Look, this is where we about to start trying to part out the heart. So what you want to do is, I kind of did it wrong because I was supposed to carve out like a crescent or whatever on the first side, but it still came out cute cause listen. Nah, but I didn't know what I was doing. I should have watched me like a YouTube video or something. But you just wanna, just to make it go by easier, y'all, just carve out a crescent, half a crescent, then carve out the other half the crescent. Or you could just like have a friend help you part out the heart. You know, that'll just be so much easier. I should have had somebody did that for me. But we did it, so stop playing. Now here, I parted that heart down the middle. And now I'm just going to braid up and then like follow the shape of the heart. Now I ain't even gonna hold y'all. It took me like a few tries on this first piece, but once you get the hang of it, of like the motion, you know, you get the motion in the ocean flowing, it gets easier. Like, it's really not hard to braid. You just gotta get that flow, you know. I'm adding like little small pieces of hair to the heart braid. But if you're not comfortable with adding hair to the braid, you would totally get away with like just braiding your real hair down into the braid, connecting it, and then adding fake hair while you connecting the braid. You know, if that makes it easier. Like almost like a knotless braid, if you would call it that, you know. Whatever makes it easier for you, do it. Now, here I'm just going to connect this braid, and you see what I'm saying, like if you was to not have fake hair, you just put that piece under there, and right here you would add some fake hair right under that braid. Get what I'm saying? Get what I'm saying? Right there, just like that. Now right here, I just went back a little bit and I'm adding a piece of hair because you want your braids to be even throughout the whole braid. You don't want no la loopy ass braid, you dig me? Look at that braided heart. Period. Okay, now here we getting started on the little cornrows that I'm bringing back. I'm not going to tell y'all how to do this because I do have a detailed tutorial already on my page with like 8 cornrows. So go ahead and check out that video. Okay, now right here, I'm about to add me some cute little pink rubber bands. I added 2 because I dipped these in oil, but they still pop really easily. So I just went ahead and added 2. Mind y'all, this is a freestyle hairstyle, so I really didn't know what I was doing. But I had an idea because I've been seeing everybody on the Instagram with these heart braids and the tribal braids. But I kind of wanted it to be different. So, you know, I put my little twist on it. If you gonna do this hairstyle, please tag me. My Instagram is The Real Pretty. My Twitter is the same thing. I would love to see y'all pictures and something that I created. Like, that would be so exciting. So yeah, we're just braiding back and we're adding in those pieces of hairs. You know what I'm saying? Just watch the video. You're gonna see how this turned out. You know, trust the process. Okay, now I was good at geometry in school. You can tell. Y'all see that triangle in the middle of my head? And this is a freestyle hairstyle. And I got the hearts with the triangles. I just had to say that. Okay, I just had to point it out. Like, the details. It's the details for me. Now look at here. Y'all see that I had to take it out and restart because I don't like when my braids look all stupid and lopsided, like it's got a broke leg or something. So it really do take me a long time to like do my hair. So I'll be running out of storage, but I'll be trying to like record the whole process. That doesn't always happen. I hope that you're still getting something out of this video though. I hope that it's helpful. If you're wondering why I didn't like blow dry my hair before braiding, I'm natural and I just bleached my hair. And I have not put any heat onto my hair because I just feel like, why risk it, you know? Why risk it? And I'm about to touch up my roots, so I'm just trying to keep my hair as healthy as possible. But that's another video. Let's get back into these braids. That color is dead on my hair. This is the color 27 at the hair store. So I guess that's the color of my hair. Period. You see how things just work out for you? Where it gets juicy. This is the tea, okay, beach? I was so proud of myself. I felt like a damn inventor when I did this shit right here. Just pay attention. I'm not even gonna say no more. Just look. So now we got 3 strands and we just gonna braid it back. At first I didn't know what I was gonna do with that little piece right there, because you see how the rest of the little pieces I made go into the braids, and then it's just that left right there. I didn't know, but I figured it out and it turned out really cute. Like, I'm really happy with this hairstyle. I was really loving this hairstyle. I was getting compliments from everybody. Like, I was just very happy. If you like this if you like this braid along with me video, please go ahead and like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. Now I'm going in with my clip and tracks. If you like, I don't know, put a cap over your head or something. If this is my head, so I do what I want to do. But I mean, none of my tracks or braids was showing, so I mean, you could do it like this. But I don't want to hear nobody from the comments talk about some you shouldn't have did it like that. I know I should have did smaller braids, but it is what it is. My tracks was covered, nothing was showing, and it was real cute. Just remember to like You see how I'm going up like in a circle and it's leaving me with a little bitty patch? Make sure you're going up like you're following your head, you know, like a circle. And when you clip in those clips into your braid, make sure they're all the way clipped in so you're not left with no bumps or anything. You want it to be flat as possible. Here is the final look a week later. Period. Do you see that braided heart, baby? Do you see that triangle, baby, with the pink? Okay, don't mind my track. Fresh off work, fuck them people. You know, I went ahead and added in me some beads. Like, what? This was so cute. But if you like this, make sure to comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.